We will get right into my intro in just a moment, but we need to cover business. You are a valued member of my channel, and I appreciate all of you. I love you, and we are moving forward from here. I hope you enjoy this dramatic intro. I've made it just for you. If any of this interests you, keep on watching, because it's about to get messy. Let's boogie.
Slamming cars on their nuts! Wow! I can't talk right now, I'm doing hot guy shit.
Chris from Kenya, 2021, vote me in. Your boy is hungry. To the ice. I don't know if you know this. It's 10 degrees. This is gonna be a spicy cold start. She's cold. It's a cold one, boys. Did you like my dramatic intro? It was kind of dope. I made that just for you. I hope you guys enjoyed it. What is up, guys? I'm just kidding. What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video, another day, another dollar. It's cold as shit. It's 10 degrees. It's actually freezing out. If you're new here, my name's Chris. I do MK7 GTI content. We go fast, have a good time. Good shit, good vibes. If that interests you, like I said in the beginning, go down there, hit the subscribe button. Bro, we need 5 people. Come on, hook your boy up. Tell 5 people. We need 5 subs and we're at 300. That's literally wild. I said in the last video, last month we went up 112 to 125 subs now. The month before that we went up like 50. The month before that I went up like 10. So we're cranking. It's awesome. So shout out to you guys. Love you guys. Today's video, I'm gonna be doing something a little bit different. So I bought these strafe rear diffusers right here, and they look really good. I got a couple sheets of sheet metal at my dad's house, I think, and we're gonna use a plasma cutter, 10 snips or whatever, and cut up a couple good ones and paint them up and see if we can get it to match like the squared off section of that, and just see how it looks. Nothing crazy, just wanted to give you guys some content for the day. So I hope you enjoyed it, and I think it'll just kind of square off the rear end a little bit because I really like the way the strafe spats look, but they're kind of like, you can't really tell they're there unless you're like, you know, really looking. But I don't know, I'm just gonna see which looks better and we'll go with that. But other than that, it's freezing out, so we're going to my dad's because he's a heated garage. So, you know, God bless America. I hope you guys are having a great day, and shout out to the new subscribers. We got some new people this morning, and I think that's all, bros. I think that's all, other than being freezing and I like can't think because I'm like shaking. All right, let's get into it. I just discovered this. I hope you guys really enjoy this. Hey Google, fart for me.
Happy to oblige.
Oh my god, that was amazing. How do you feel about that?
I hate it.
It's funny that like, that's just like all I want is that noise. Just want the little woo toot 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 toot. Really cool. Love when people awkwardly fucking stare. I hope they know I'm gonna kill them. They're dead. They're dead meat. Don't look at me. You're dead. Just kidding. Yeah, she's like, I'm gonna put this on my Snap story. JK fucking LOL.
crazy psycho driving a rice wagon.
It's called a rice wagon?
Yeah, I don't know. That's the first thing I think of.
Slamming cars on their nuts! Wow!
Check this out. Yo, you got the tracker? Like right now?
Damn, farm country boy. Dude, you got a cabin? We do tractor shit around here. I can't talk right now. I'm doing hot guy shit.
Glove.
Hat.
No, I got a hood. I'm good. Cock cam. What's up, guys? Say, we're gonna be ripping with my friend Cole here. We're already going over it.
Wait, stop. Did you just call me your friend?
I was like, no, hey bro, step bro, I was joking, bro. It's okay, we can go do laundry if you want.
Let's go.
Slide right into me, step bro. Oh, it's very cold. Alright, we got our measurements. So basically, I'm just gonna make like that section that's squared, and I'm just gonna do like on the diffuser on the ends where it's like this squared two fins. I'm gonna like replicate that and just slide it over and then see how that looks and see if it squares it off a little bit more. So we got all the measurements, and basically I'm just gonna cut one piece of steel, and then I'm gonna kind of like cut it like almost like a trapezoid, and then mark my lines, bend it in, and then drill the holes and see how it comes out. My Mach 2. So this being the rear, and this is what's here now, I kind of want to make the pieces look like this. So I kind of figured when I cut it, it'll be like this, and then I'll have the inside towards the exhaust be like 4 inches and the outside be 2, and then it'll be 9 inches wide, so it's just a tiny bit, it's half an inch closer than this, and then it'll just kind of look like this piece on the end, and I think it'll just square it off a little bit better, and it'll also like, it'll still kind of follow the body lines of the car on the edge, so it's not super squared, but it'll kind of cut it off a little bit shorter with a 2-inch fin, so it should look pretty good.
We're out here, brother.
Hey, Trevor.
Out here doing, you know, boondiddle shit.
You guys like my wild hair? Just took my hat off. God, not good. All right, we back. Day 2, we back. Yesterday we got preoccupied and lost track of time. My dad got his truck stuck when we were trying to get wood, so we had to pull that out with our ramp truck, and then we were burning a bunch of brush and got stuck down by the river, as you saw last night. So we're at day 2, we came back, and we're using this stuff here, and we're gonna cut it out, and I'm kind of just trying to start little and then make little fins, and I'll kind of explain it as I go, but it's kind of hard to understand, but you'll see what I'm saying. So we're just going a little bit loud, a little bit, just trying to kind of add to the diffuser a little bit, make it a little bit more aggressive, that's all.
You best.
Will you on my thing? All right. It was a little shaky at first, and I still have to go through and straighten this out a little bit, but that's not too bad, because this is the only part that you're gonna see, really. Don't forget, if you're liking the videos, go down there, hit that subscribe button, join the family. If you like these POV videos, let me know. That was not too bad. We're getting better as we go. We're getting better. Yeah, let's get this one cleaned up. Check out the new grill, boys. Papa Ashline hooked me up.
Chris. You want some nuts? I got some nuts here.
Dude,
if you...
thanks.
No, hey. I'm gonna shove that. I'll shove this over.
Holy shit. Oh, I just rolled my ankle really bad. Oh my god. Ow, 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 ow. Cold start. With a broken ankle. Oh my god, I rolled my ankle so bad. Ow, that fucking hurt. Ooh. I'm just throwing shit in the car, but yeah, we are in a second. Bye, Bandit. Alright, where are we at? I made the pieces. They actually came out really good. I'm hyped. They actually came out pretty clean, not gonna lie. For my first plasma cutting job and my little metal work, not bad. Pretty clean. Alright, we're gonna get food and then we'll jump to tomorrow and we'll get them mounted on and see how they look. Okay. Hit him with the classic. Ooh, it's not too bad. It's another 10-degree day out here. And we back. Good morning. Day 3. Back at it. Oh my god, it's cold. Alright, this has been quite a process. So, let's recap everything. Because I've been mad tired, and last night I was super tired. Day 1, we went to my dad's. We got there, we found the materials I needed and everything, and I mapped everything out, and then I cut it out of cardboard to figure out what I was gonna do. But we ran out of time because my dad was grabbing wood out of the woods and got his pickup stuck, so we had to pull that out with our flatbed. And then once we got that out, we were burning a bunch of extra brush we had and trying to cut up some wood for the stove and the garage, and then we lost track of time. Didn't realize how late it was getting, and then me and Cole just ended up having a fire down by the river. And then in my head, I was like, okay, well, I'm not gonna be at my dad's till Wednesday, so I was gonna film another video. But then my grandmother messaged me the next morning. She's like, hey, I'm going to your dad's. Do you wanna come down? And I was like, yeah, sure. So then we went back to my dad's, which he lives like 45 minutes away from me. So it's a little bit of a drive, but it's okay. So then we went back out, and then we were able to pull it together, and I got everything cut. It was actually my first time plasma cutting, so I came out super sick. I was actually hyped. I 100% want to get a plasma cutter. That's like the kind of stuff I want to move into, is like later on down the road when me and Meg get a decent house and have like a decent garage. I want to get some metal tools, do some metal work. I want to make like some custom pieces for people, just little stuff. Like I don't want to make it a job, but it'd be cool to make like little diffuser pieces, extensions, lips, I don't know, stuff like that. The pieces actually came out pretty good. They're a little bit thicker than what's on it, like a tiny bit, but not enough that you're gonna notice. But yeah, we just got to get them mounted up and see how they look. I'm gonna hold them up and then see what they look like first. When it's like all clean and you can see all the black, everything matches, and then when we tint the taillights, that'll really like pull it all together. I think the actual plan, what I think will look like clean is if I pull that wrap off, because that black stuff is super cheap and it kind of bubbled a little bit, just like a tiny bit. But if I pull that off and then I match it with the tint that I do with the taillights, then that will actually match, and then the diffuser will match with the badge. And I think that'll be enough that it looks really good. But let's see what this looks like. I'm not gonna lie, bro, like for my first time, these came out pretty good. Like the part that you're gonna see is perfect. But I don't know, it looks really good. Plus it's just the diffuser in front of the car, so you're not really gonna see it that much. Oh my God, that looks so good, bro. I'm hyped, what the hell? Yeah, that came out good, I'm kinda hyped. I'm gonna pull those off and then match up the holes and stuff, and we'll go from there. Alright, now when they're squared up, they look just like that. They look really good. Dude, I'm hyped, this will be sick. Just enough to like square it off a little bit. Let's go! Alright, let's get these babies slapped on there and see what they look like. That's tight. It's just like a tiny bit lower than the other ones, but I can also lower that down a little bit too and level them out. But that looks sick, bro. That looks subtle. I like that. Plus, like, I made it, so I feel like it's cooler than it is. That's sick. Let's go. Cause I wanna know, have you ever seen the rain? This bad Larry all together, get her in, looking nice. Still checking out. Bring it to Torque's back. Damn, chica! Okay! That looks dope! What the hell? Bro, and the whole thing's clean, that's gonna look aggressive AF. Dude, I'm so like proud of myself. What the hell? Usually, like, I don't know, sometimes when you make stuff for your car yourself, it kind of comes out like an AutoZone special kind of thing, but this looks good. It literally looks like one piece. You can't even tell, like, you really can't even tell it's two pieces. Shit! Alright, bros. I almost just fell. I fell last night, rolled my ankle. I literally like was like running and then rolled my ankle, but then slid on my rolled ankle in the ice. It was literally stupid. Just like that. I hope you're enjoying the videos. I hope you enjoyed today's video. That was super fun for me. It was my first time plasma cutting, my first time doing a couple things, metalwork wise, but that was super sick. This came out really good. I'm actually hyped. This came out so much better than I thought it was going to. Bear with your boy a little bit. We're tight on money, obviously, as you know, working out some financial stuff, and then we'll get back to ordering some parts and do some little stuff. And then coming into springtime, I got some big plans, and I'm just trying to get everything squared away now, so that way we will have good content for springtime. It's cold, so I'm sorry everything's not super crazy right now, but bear with you, boy. We're still growing so fast. I'm so hyped, bro. We did it. 3 days of fun. We did some more learning. We learned how to plasma cut. Showed you guys some cool shit. As always, you guys keep driving, keep it real. Go out there, go for a rip today. It may be cold wherever you are. It's cold here. Go take a drive, clear your head, have a good time. Your boy will catch you in the next one. I'm out. Peace.